Okay, here's a short video just to demonstrate the 7 horsepower Loncin AR 200-12 petrol pressure washer. 7 horsepower Loncin petrol engine, pull start, Anovi reverberary triplex pump, 12 litres a minute at 3000 psi. So when it first arrives, you'll notice this little ticket. Just take this little ticket off and you have your breather plug there. This little shipping plug is just in because it travels in a box, and just in case the courier turns it upside down, because there's a tiny little hole inside this that would release oil if it was upside down. So that's the reason for the shipping plug. So put your shipping plug in. Oil will already be in here. You'll get a little brown bottle or a clear bottle with 500 millilitres of oil. You can just add it to the engine here. Okay, I have oil already in this for demonstration purposes. So you can see the engine and the pump is mounted to these 4 anti-vibration mounts here, just to try and dissipate a bit of the vibration from the running of the engine there. So okay, so basically let's start the machine. So first of all, high pressure hose clicks in there, quick release. Okay, lance clicks on there. Put your lance together. This is your suction hose for drawing from a tank. We'll demonstrate it in a minute, but at the moment we're going to just do tap feed. Now this hose is 3/4 inch hose, but it's only it doesn't have to be, just your ordinary garden hose is fine. So connect that to there. Okay, let's start the machine. So you've got on off here, up to off. You can see it says on there. Okay, you've got 2 levers round here. Bottom one is fuel. To the right, fuel is on. To the left, fuel is off. Okay, the grey one is the choke. We'll need to set that at full. Okay, that's the pull start there. This little lever here is the governor. It's very stiff when it first comes. It'll be probably set pretty much at flat out. So okay, so let's start the machine. Choke off. Okay, so it's a nice powerful machine. That's a little chemical hose for putting on soap. You just have to put in the black nozzle there, and that'll activate that to pick up. So let's show you how to suck from a barrel. So this is your suction hose. Connect this to the water feed down here, and then submerge your filter into the water like that. Make sure it's submerged below the water and it doesn't float up. Okay, the best way to start off, because the machine has to suck all the air out of this hose before it starts pumping. So the easiest and fastest way to start is to start off the machine with no nozzle in, okay, and wait until you get a good steady flow of water. Okay, so let's see, we'll do that. Okay, so you could see the water coming out of the end of the lamps, and then it just started to spit. That's just all the air clearing out, and that's it. That's your 7 horsepower Loncin AR 212.